We know about the vitality of blood. That is considered as the fluid of life. And it is the only fluid connective tissue that has the ability to move throughout the body. But this important component of our body needs some container or tubular system for its movement. And this purpose is served by the blood vessels. That is going to be the topic of our today's video lecture. So what are blood vessels? Blood vessels are a major part of our circulatory system that are defined as a tubular network extended throughout the body acts as a highway and allows blood to flow quickly and efficiently from the heart to every region of the body and back again. Within a circulatory system, the heart serves as a dual pump that collects deoxygenated blood from all over the body and, in return, pump back oxygenated blood throughout the body. This arrival and departure of blood into the heart and from the heart is supported by blood vessels. We have studied about circulation and the heart in detail. In our previous videos, you can check it out there for a detailed understanding. In total, the blood vessels of an average human adult, if stretched out, are about 60,000 miles in length. The anatomy and functions of various segments of the vasculature differ greatly from one another. And on this basis, the vasculature of the body can be divided into 5 main types. That are arteries, arterioles, capillaries, veins, and venules. Let's briefly take an overview of these vessels. As we mentioned, heart is the central pump of circulatory system, and the blood moves on a continual basis through the heart, from where the oxygenated blood first enters the network of vessels called arteries. These arteries then divide to form smaller branches called arterioles. From arterioles, that oxygenated blood then enters even the smallest and tiniest vessel branches that are called capillaries. These capillaries can closely contact tissue cells and serve the needs of the cells. At this level, oxygenated blood transfers its oxygen and other required nutrients to the cells, and in return take up the carbon dioxide that is formed inside the cells due to various cellular processes. Now the blood has turned to its deoxygenated form. This deoxygenated blood then enters another set of vessels that are called venules. These venules are actually branches of another important type of blood vessel called veins that have comparatively thick wall and diameter. These veins then merge to form the largest veins of our body, and through these veins, the deoxygenated blood then returns to the heart. And so the cycle continues. So these blood vessels are very important as they conduct blood and other substances to the body tissues. And all body tissues require this circulation to survive. So this major function of blood vessels emphasizes their importance. And that's why we are here with this amazing video on such an important topic. Let's see what we are going to learn in this video. First of all, we will discuss the structure of blood vessels. That's important to understand its physiology. Then we will talk about the different types of blood vessels found in our vasculature, together with their properties. After that, we will look at the functional division of blood vessels, where we will discuss some important functions of different types of blood vessels. And lastly, we will try to understand how the functions of blood vessels get regulated by neuronal and hormonal control. So without wasting time, let's dive in.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.